In today's video, I show you how to quickly make someone an admin in Slack. This is super useful if you want to share management responsibilities in your workspace. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more easy tutorials. First, open Slack on your desktop or browser and log in with your email, Google or Apple account. Make sure you're signed in as a current admin or workspace owner, since only they can change member roles. Once you're inside, head to the top left corner and click the workspace name. From the menu, select Tools and Settings, then choose Manage Members. Here you'll see a full list of everyone in your workspace. Find the person you want to promote, then click the three dots next to their name. From the options, select Change Account Type and choose Workspace Admin. Finally, hit Save to confirm. That's it, your teammate is now an admin with access to manage members, integrations, and other workspace settings. Quick tip: review your member roles occasionally to make sure only the right people have admin access. Thanks for watching. If this tutorial helped, drop a like and subscribe for more Slack tips.